What's up, guys? It's your boy Just J21X on YouTube once again, y'all. I want to say good afternoon to each and every one of y'all. Hope y'all guys are having a great Sunday. Thank y'all guys for clicking on this video. So today, guys, we're here at a Spotted Cat car meet once again, y'all. Last time they had this, it was a really great turnout, great scenes they also had at the end. It's already packed this time. There's like a ton of cars here. So with that being said, without further ado, let's just get right into the video, y'all. Hope y'all guys enjoyed. Y'all leave me some likes, some comments, all that good stuff. Share with y'all friends, family. Y'all help me get up to 2,000 subs on YouTube, y'all. Y'all guys literally mean a lot to me whenever time y'all subscribe and check out my videos and my channel. So with that being said, without further ado, let's just get right into it, y'all. Here we go. So right over here, y'all, we got the Charger I brought out this afternoon for this event for Spotted Cat. We also have the classic Mustang right over here. And we also have a classic truck, very nice seeing that. We also have this right here, very nice looking classic as well. Got a lot of classics here. We got the Hot Rod in this very beautiful yellow. And then we also have a Trans Am or Firebird. This is called, yup, Firebird. And we also have a Chevy truck, Silverado. And we also have the GMC truck right over here, y'all. And then we also have a very beautiful Cadillac right here. It's the one we saw at the Mills Diner meet that time as well the other day. We also have the Ford truck right over here. Very nice Cadillac. We got this truck right over here in the lineup. And we also have a very nice, beautiful Pontiac GTO. And then we also have the Ford Bronco. Got my boy here with the very beautiful green Charger right over here. And we also have the C8 Corvette right over here. Very nice looking C8 Vet right over here, y'all. And then over here we have a 5.0 Mustang. Very nice looking Beetle right over here. And then we also have the 5.0 Mustang as well. Then check this out. It's a very nice Dodge Magnum right over here. And we also have this right here, the Dodge. And then we got the Ford. Got some classics right here. And then check this out. It's a Chevy truck right here in that very beautiful blue. Nice. We also got a couple trucks over here. Got this one right over here I'm looking at. This ain't as clean, y'all. Very nice. And then we got the boy Drake, I think this is, with this Mustang. Very cool seeing that out. Got some classics right over here. Got an El Camino, I think this is called, and a very nice red Mustang right here as well. And then we got this Camaro right over here as well in that very beautiful orange. We also got the Ford Mustang. And then we got a C6 LS3 right over here. This is a C6 I've never seen before. Got a very nice Hot Rod right over here, y'all. We love to see that out as well. Check this out, y'all. Got a Fox Body Mustang right over here. And we also have this 5.0 Mustang right here as well with the very nice red. And then we also have a C7 Corvette right over here with some chrome wheels. Check this out, y'all. Got a RT Hemi Challenger right over here and this C3 Corvette right over here as well. You love to see that out as well. Check this out, y'all. Got some motorcycles right over here, y'all. Love to see these two out. Check this out, y'all. Got that truck right here. You love to see that out. And right here, we also got this cool thing right here. Got a couple of classics right over here, y'all. Love to see that out as well. Got this right here. And we got this Hot Rod right here. Check this out, y'all. Got a Nissan Fairlady rolling up right here. Got a very nice Trans Am roll up right here. This is very nice in that very beautiful color. Look at this, y'all. They got the horns on these. This ain't as nice, y'all. Look at that. It's got like that blue and pink, y'all see. And then we got this. Very nice, y'all. Love the classics on these, man. These are beautiful. All right, y'all, we got the first car leaving, y'all. The Pancake Police Cruiser. Got that Ford truck down there leaving. Yeah. Yeah. Sounds crazy, man. Got these boys rolling up. Got a GTO leaving. A nice C8 right here. Woo! Chevy truck on wild. Got that C8 right here.
I want the drag.
Oh, you gotta send that. There go the Trans Am down there, y'all. And this Mustang. Woo! Got this Beetle right here. You might give it the gas, who knows? I know them Beetles do get on it sometime. There you go. Got a Bronco. Oh, the Cadillac. This is the one that got sideways last time. Got a hot rod way down there leaving, man. Got a Trans Am. Giving it the gas on C. Scraping a little bit. You gotta get on it. A Fox body right here. That's a C3 right here. I know he gonna give it the gas. El Camino. Look at this thing, y'all. This thing is like low. Uh-oh. He's stopping, you know what that means. Mopar no car. Mopar no car. Spinning the tires. Woo! Got that thing sideways. Got a classic Mustang right here. I don't know if he will get on it. He really don't have to get on it, but it would be unexpected if he does. Very beautiful one right here. Oh yeah, after this they can go. He ain't gonna get on it. Look at this, y'all. Both beautiful classics. I don't know. I mean, I'm not expecting them to get on it, man. They don't have to. They don't have to sit in there. I just want to see it on the road. That's all. Oh yeah, she can go after this. Got this beautiful Ford Ram 150 leaving. Right here. Got that boy out with that Challenger right over here, y'all. And we got that Chrysler right over here. My boy right here. All nice. It's a Scat right here on some wheels.